feel bread. Still got that alcohol running through my head. I don't like my friends. I can't find my dog. All of them left me to an outface and a ride. Yeah. If Jesus loves me, why don't he let me know the time we're leaving and nothing more you can show? If Jesus loves me, why don't he let me know the time we're leaving and nothing more you can show?
Let's learn Groovy Love. It's choreographed by Whitehouse, Daniel Trepat, and Jonas Dahlgren. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Groovy Love. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. You're now going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left heel into the diagonal. You're going to step your left next to your right and touch your right toe next to your left. We're going to do 2 walks back, step back right, left, and then we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, step forward with your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. The step sheet does say that the sweeps are optional. I'm going to teach them, and then you can decide if you would like to do the step sweeps or if you would just like to do the steps forward. That choice is yours. So we're going to step forward with our left. And as we step forward with our left, you're going to sweep your right from back to front. You're now going to step forward with your right foot and sweep your left foot from back to front. We're going to do a left lock step forward, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot forward. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to do a big step back with our right, dragging your left foot into your right, and then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster step. You're going to do your 2 steps. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're now going to do 3 heel bounces that are going to make a quarter turn. So we step, you're going to bounce both heels up so you are slightly into the diagonal. You're going to lift both heels up so that you're almost at the 9 o'clock wall. You're going to lift both heels up and you're going to put your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do cross side, cross quarter with dips. So when we cross our right over our left, you're going to bend both knees slightly. When you step your left foot to the side, you're going to straighten your knees. You're going to cross your right over your left, bending your knees, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our drag together, weights on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Cross your right over your left and step your left foot to the left side. When you step to the left, your weight is going to be split between both feet. You're now going to twist your right heel in towards the center and then twist it back out, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're going to twist your left heel into the center, twist it back out, and put your weight onto your left foot. You're now going to twist your right heel in, twist your right toe in, and then you're going to hitch your right knee up, and then you're going to be ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're doing your quarter pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right, so it's side, behind, ball, heel, ball, touch, back, back, coaster, step, sweep, lock, step, forward, rock, recover, back, drag, step together, step, bounce, bounce, weights left, cross, side, cross, quarter, step, quarter, pivot, cross, side, heel, 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 toe, hitch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you'd be ready to start the dance over again. Now your final wall is a side wall. It will be 9 o'clock. And you're going to dance the first 16 counts. And what I like to do is there's no ending listed on the step sheet. So it's after your rock, recover, back, drag. And then I just step that left foot together and I look over my right shoulder to 12 o'clock, kind of pop that knee up. And that is how I end the dance. But you can just step and end on that final count of 16. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. It's side, behind, ball, heel, ball, touch, back, back, coaster, step, sweep, lock, step, forward, rock, recover, back, drag, step together, step, bounce, bounce, weights left, cross, side, cross, quarter, step, quarter, pivot, cross, side, heel, 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 toe, hitch, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Side, behind, ball, heel, ball, touch, back, back, coaster, step, sweep, lock, step, forward, rock, recover, back, drag, step together, step, bounce, bounce, weights left, cross over, side, over, quarter, step, quarter, pivot, cross, side, heel, 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 toe, hitch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to keep on dancing through. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Groovy Love. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Oh,